Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with the desktop C++ workload and the Sfml package downloaded. Create a new Visual C++ project and pick the same architecture as your Sfml libs x86 or x64. Once done, extract Sfml to a stable path and note the include and lib folders. Now open project properties. You will immediately add the include directories, so the compiler finds Sfml headers, and set the configuration to debug or release as needed. You now configure the linker. In project properties, add the Sfml include path under C/C++ additional include directories. This lets the compiler find headers. Next, under linker additional library directories, add the Sfml lib folder for debug and release. Then list the exact lib files in additional dependencies, for example Sfml graphics S, lib Sfml window S, lib Sfml system S, lib or the non-static variants for dynamic linking. Also include system libraries, Sfml requires, and match. You finish by ensuring runtime access to Sfml. For dynamic linking, copy the required Sfml DLLs into your executable directory, or add the Sfml bin folder to your path. Otherwise, the program fails at launch. Make sure your project's runtime library matches how Sfml was built, MD versus MDD, to avoid CRT conflicts. If you get unresolved externals, double-check architecture, debug versus release lib names, and that includes /lib directories, are set for the active configuration. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.